So, what's inside Power Innovations International's 30 and 60 kilowatt EV quick chargers? At the core is our custom-designed power pack, powered by light-on stackable power modules. These ultra-high reliability power modules can be easily replaced, but with a demonstrated MTBF of over 1 million hours on this PSU topology, you likely won't need to worry about it anytime soon. The NEMA 3S enclosure provides ample protection against rain, sleet, snow, and ice in outdoor installations. And our chargers are fitted with air-to-air heat exchangers, which means there's no outside air brought into the enclosure for cooling, and so there's no filters to change, thus virtually eliminating maintenance. We've also made installation easy, with plenty of room to easily land incoming power cabling. And you can easily configure the charger for any voltage by simply installing the appropriate bus bar. Reliability, low maintenance, and easy installation. Power Innovations International EV Quick Chargers. Learn more at powerinnovations.com.